Hey, welcome back to Stevie Tech, where we bring you cool new apps each week. Be sure to subscribe. Let's start off here with an app called Retro Browser. Now, with Retro Browser, it's going to give you some cool new looks at some old web pages. So if you want to look at it here, it does have a little disclaimer. It tells you not to enter in any of your passwords, nothing searchable. So just be sure to check that out and make sure you read it carefully and don't enter in any of your personal information. And we'll go ahead and bring it up here. Now, it's going to load up with Google, so you can take a look and see what Google looked like. And this is just kind of a fun little nostalgia app. So we'll go ahead and pull up YouTube, give you an idea of what YouTube looked like. And it even gives you kind of the cool little browser with the back button, forward button, everything. Just kind of like a blast from the past. So definitely be sure to check this out. As you can see here, you can go through. Now, none of the pictures or video clips, thumbnails will show up here. But it does actually go in, pulls up the description there. And you can take a quick look at some of them there. Well, one of them popped up. So you've got the one, but most of them just keep showing as that. But as you can see here, you can go in and kind of get an idea of what YouTube did look like back in the day. And let's see. We'll go ahead and we'll scroll over a little bit and check out Yahoo. Now, let's see here. Now, with the Yahoo, as you can see, it is the old style Yahoo. It's pretty interesting. You can't really search anything again, but we'll go ahead and check out, let's look up eBay here, and we'll take a look at it and kind of give you an idea of what that looked like. So let's go ahead and pull that up, and let's see. Of course, you got those cool little loading times too, just like back in the day. And let's see. Now this can give you kind of a look of what eBay looked like, and pulls up the little app there, little browser page, sorry. Spent a lot of time on this whenever, it's very familiar to me. Back in the day, I was always on eBay trying to find something. But as you can see there, there's a lot of cool different things on there. So go ahead and definitely check that one out. And let's see if we can find anything else on here for you. See if we can bring up AT&T's page. Take a look at it. And there we go. Bring up AT&T's little website here from back then. So you can definitely take a look at it. And we'll go ahead and just hop right into the next one here, which is going to be... let's see here, we're going to go with Lens Distortion. Now this is a relatively new app here on Android. It is available on iOS, it's been there for a while. Basically it's a little photo editing app that you can go in and actually customize and add in some different filters and things, kind of give it a unique look, make different changes. So we'll go ahead and give an example here with this bus picture. As you can see, we can go in and we can flip this little light glare. Let's see, we'll pop that off the mirror there, kind of give you a little added flair. We'll go down in here and let's see, we can change the color. Of course, as you can see, you can flip it. You can change the horizontal, of course, the saturation. Let's see here, you can also go in and add some different effects and things. So let's say we want to throw another layer on there. So some of this rain, for example, kind of make this go from a nice sunny day to this rainy day here, as you can see. But this is definitely a nice little interesting app to give some of your pictures a little added support there. Made it a little more interesting, of course. Definitely if you're sharing stuff on Facebook or Instagram. But I think this is a nice little thing that you can check out, especially if you're into editing some of your photos. As you can see here, this is what the picture is going to look like when it's done. It's not 100% accurate, but it looks decent. It looks nice. But let's go ahead and go into the next one here, which is going to be a customization app called Adapticons. With this, you can actually go in and customize your own icons. You can set up different things. Let's grab this one here as an example, kind of give you an idea. We can change the different shapes from all these different shapes that you see popping up here. Even got the puzzle piece. Now, this is the free version. There is a paid version where you can get access, of course, to the additional shapes that you see here. But just for this, I just wanted to show you guys this and check it out. Most of the time you can create something pretty good here with just the free version. But as you can see, you can go in, you can actually even change the image that you've got there. You can definitely go in and change the background color. You can change the radius, you can flip it, as you can see here. But you can actually just do quite a bit with this app. And you can change the whole look and feel of the icon. You can actually go in, and if you wanted to, you could create and customize your own icon pack. But as you can see, you do get the ability to go in. You can actually move this around from inside the icon as far as your picture, kind of give them all their own little border. And you can just go in and do different things to that effect. Let's see what we've got here. Let's go ahead and see if we can just show you an example where we change this completely. Just throw something random up here. Yeah, as you can see here, we'll go ahead and pop up this little icon diagram, kind of give you an idea as far as the different things you can do. Now we're going to go ahead and hop right into the next one here, which is going to be the floating bar. With this, if anybody's familiar with the LG V30, you know the nice little floating bar it's got there, kind of like pop up, similar to the Galaxy's Edge panel. But you can go in, and with this, it actually gives you that ability on any phone. As you can see, we can go in and customize the different apps that actually appear on the bar, and you can turn on the different functions. Now, this again is a free version. It's got ads and stuff. There's not a lot that you can do on this one. This kind of give you an idea of the different apps and things you can pop up there. Now, if you do want to go ahead and take a look at it here, we can go in and customize and change the different apps and things. You don't have to keep them set at any type of default. Now, with that, as you can see, we've got a little custom bar going on here. And with that, we'll take a quick look here, give you an idea of what it looks like, how it works there, as you can see. Now, you can go into the settings, and you can definitely customize this quite a bit. You can go in and you can customize the bar itself. You can customize, of course, like I said, the icons. You can customize the style here, which right now the only style they've got is the V30 style. We can also go in and customize the color options and things. So as you can see, you can go in and you can customize the different colors that are available. And with that, you can actually change it, and the bar itself will change. So that's kind of nifty and unique. Definitely if you're into the quick pop-ups and things that you can use as far as the quick settings. But as you can see, you can actually go in and customize quite a bit. You can customize the music player, you can customize the weather, as well as a few other things that you can actually pop up on there. Okay, that's this week's episode of App Highlights. So as always, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And of course, you can check out one of my other videos right here on the screen. Just click this.